The independence of the judiciary and the impeachment motion against the Chief Justice is a key topic of discussion at present. Here are some of the views that have been expressed yesterday and today regarding the matter.
We do not see this as a question involving Shirani Bandaranaike, because what the government is trying to do here is to put the entire judicial system in its pocket like it did with the parliament. We must prevent this for the sake of democracy. They have tried to do this and made a mess of things. They have created a major crisis in the judicial system. Anti-government proposals are being passed. This is not good for the people. What would happen if the people begin to look at the courts in the same manner that the Chief Justice respected her court, which was Parliament? There would be anarchy in the country. The Chief Justice is a very intelligent person. She is a woman we hold in high esteem. She held the position of judge very respectfully. Therefore, we respectfully ask her not to get caught up in these political mechanisms. What happened when Roshan Chanaka was killed? When your brothers were killed, the judiciary was silent. In order to suppress university student activism, they introduced military training, and one student died during that training. When students who were against it went to the courts did not object to that process. When people went to courts against the bill tabled in Parliament extending the maximum time period the police has to detain and question a person for up to 48 hours, the courts did not do anything regarding it. The executive, legislature and judiciary exist to strangle the people. These three arms are oppressing us. The arm known as the legislature wants to be superior than the other arms who are protesting against it. Now there is a major conflict between two of these arms. This intervention they are carrying out involving Chief Justice Shirani Bandaranaike is wrong. But as the people, we need to analyse this.
මේ ලංකාව සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම අපේ ආණ්ඩුක්‍රම ව්‍යවස්ථාව අපහාස කරන රටක් බවට පත් වෙලා.
Sri Lanka as a whole has become a country that insults its constitution. There is a constitution and there is a president, parliament and the judiciary which must cooperate. The rule of law which should exist when one investigates the other has completely collapsed. This is because of the executive presidency which has been given excessive power.
නීතියේ ආධිපත්‍යය අද සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම බිඳ වැටලා තිබෙන්නේ. මේකේ කාරණාව තමයි මේ රටේ පවතින අතිශය බලවත් ලෙස අද ක්‍රියාත්මක කරන විධායක ජනාධිපති ධූරය.
ෆොන්සේකා මහත්තයාවත් අමාරුවේ දැම්මනේ.
They put Fonseca in difficulty as well. They all got together and put Fonseca in difficulty. Now Fonseca is saying that he will invite the Chief Justice to contest elections from his party in the near future. What does this mean? These are all political agendas. Therefore, we must clearly state that as the government, we are prepared to face any challenges that arise.
මේ ඔක්කොම දේශපාලන න්‍යාය පත්‍ර. ඒ නිසා බොහොම පැහැදිලිව අපි කියනවා අපි ආණ්ඩුවක් හැටියට එන ඕනෑම අභියෝගයකට මුහුණ දෙන්න ලෑස්ති.
මේ උසාවියට ගෙනන නඩුවාලා මේ කරවල කඩේ වගේ මේ නිකම් පිප්පකට්කාරයෙක් වගේ විනිශ්චයකාරවරුන්ට නඩුව අහන සම්ප්‍රදායක් කොහෙවත් නැහැ.
This problem must be resolved within the community of those who have studied the law. This does not belong to anyone else. The gangsters, dentists and other rogues in parliament are trying to resolve ethics in the legal community.
බහුතර ජනතාවගේ බලය මේ ආණ්ඩුවට තියෙනවායි කියලා ආණ්ඩුව විශ්වාස කරගෙන මේ රටේ තියෙන පුවත්පත් ආයතන වලට මේ ආණ්ඩුව ගෙනි තිබ්බා.
Thinking that it had the majority support of the people, the government burnt down news offices. They abducted leaders of civil society in white vans. Ministers tied public officials to trees. The government, which destroyed democracy in the country and thought it could interfere with everything, finally tried to interfere with the judiciary. Now that they have laid a hand on the judiciary, can they claim victory and slight the judiciary? This government is now caught up in a war, thinking that they can make the judiciary submit.
ජයග්‍රහණය කරයි කියලා හිතාගෙන